Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm headed to AutoZone to get a rear rotor for the passenger side because that one in the back is also shot just like the one in the front. So by the time of this video, it is true, I don't even want to do this, but it is selling so bad when I come to stops and when I back up. And I already know where the two main problems are coming from. It is my front driver rotor and my back rear rotor. And it just at the point where I don't even like driving this car right now because it sounds so bad. So today we're gonna fix that. So we're gonna run down to AutoZone right quick to get the materials that we need, fix everything that we need to possibly fix, because at this point I don't even want to drive the car right now because it just sounds so bad and it's not good. So let's fix this problem. You can hear this noise. I know my loud exhaust, but listen closely. This is how it sounds when I back up. Hear that? And now we only have two screws we got to get out. Then we're just going to have to bang it a little bit and it should pop on out. So I just had a script screw. Went online and looked and see what to get this out. I said a rubber band and it actually worked. So I put it in there. And now it's coming out. Yeah, if you can see right here, this is why my back back brake's been making sound, because the rotor is completely gone. So before we even get started putting the new rotor on, I'm going to go get me a wire brush, and I got some brake cleaner, so I'm going to spray all this down, scrub this, so we'll be good, so we won't have any more issues when we put everything back together. Brand new fresh rotor. All right, so let's go ahead and put that on the car. Everything is back on there, completely done. Let's put the wheel back on there and let's move to the front. All right, as you can see, this rotor is no good. Right here, there's all this indentation right here. So every time I press the brake, it makes this horrible, horrible sound. And these rotors are like, they're just bad right here. So this one has been causing me the main problem, as you heard in the beginning of the video, that this was making all the noise up front. And so we're gonna get the new rotor. But first, let's clean this up. Brand new rotor. This should solve the problem. So both of the wheels back on. So let's go for a quick drive right quick. And let's see if anything has changed. And see if the rotors, what's the issue. My theory was correct. It was the rotors the whole time, because I don't hear nothing from this side or the back side back there. Even when I press on brakes, there's no sound at all. So that was definitely